Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight Appa is going to, actually I'm steaming a chicken right now. And I'm going to put in this fish together into the steamer. Yeah, it's always good, nice to have a 7-liter steamer. I have half of, this is probably slightly over 1 kg. Yeah, the whole fish. Yeah, it's a wild tiger grouper. Very nice, very meaty and very tender, very nice. I don't quite like long tan. Long tan, I find it a bit too tough. Yeah, I prefer this type, tiger grouper. So I have half of the fish here. I actually gotten the seller to cut it half for me, and of course you want to wash it, yeah, nicely. And we shall marinate it with some salt. Yeah, give it some fine salt. And let's put in, I made few slits on the fish body just now. So let's put in the ginger slice into the slit, yeah. This will help to make it open wide, so that the steaming process can be nicer as well, more evenly done, yeah. And nothing else you need to do. Just like this, you can send it to the steamer already. I will make the very simple steamed fish sauce shortly after this. Actually, my steamer is already steaming a chicken inside. So halfway, I'm going to add in another layer, which is my tiger grouper. And this is the benefit of you getting a 70-liter steamer or combi oven. So give it I'm going to steam the fish for probably about plus minus about 10 minutes. Then both the chicken and also fish will be done at the same time. Let me open this. Wow. Ooh. Ooh, chicken is done. Fish is ready. Now I can actually take them out right now. Alright, I'm going to make a very simple, super simple steamed fish sauce. I have some water here, half bowl, and 2-3 rounds, maybe 4 of light soya sauce. Done. That's how simple it is. But later I'm going to add in some garlic and garlic oil as well. So you can see the fish is saying hi to you all, and you'll see a lot of steamed fish water. All this is the source of fishiness. We don't want it, I'm going to remove it, yeah? Throw the water. So I have already removed the fishy water, yeah, the steamed fish water. Next thing we do, very simple. Just pour over the simple steamed fish water sauce on top of it. And we are going to garnish it with some ginger slices. Papa is making 4 dishes tonight. Okay, and some fried garlic on top. There you go. That's how simple it is. I hope you like my very simple video today. This is a steamed tiger grouper. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.